Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. You'll know exactly where I am for this video, and when I show you these two lovely folk you'll know definitely where I am. That's it, we're in the foyer of the beautiful Winter Gardens in Blackpool, and we're going to go and have a look at some of the things that are going on behind the scenes to restore and renovate and maintain this beautiful building. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast, make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and make sure that you've signed up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter, and then you'll know exactly when we upload new content and when new stuff goes onto the website. There's the gorgeous floral hall look. So it's a bit of a did you know moment, this video, because did you know that there is such a thing as a restoration levy? It's paid by tickets. It's paid by £1.50 off every ticket sale, and it's used to fund the restoration of various aspects of this lovely building. Because, well, I can only shudder to think what it must be like trying to maintain a building as big as this, that's as old as this. It dates back to 1875. So just imagine the maintenance bill. It must be whopping. So the Restoration Levy came in July 2021, and it's applied on all tickets, and it's ring-fenced for investment into this Grade 2-star listed venue. So there's lots of things happening. There's been some work in the Gallium Bar, which is just on the side here. We're going to go and take a look at that. And then backing onto the other side of it, the Victoria Bar, which is just round that corner. And we might even get a look inside the Opera House as well. So if you've been to a show at the Winter Gardens, you might have been in here. You might have been in here of an evening for a swift drink before, after, or during the interval. This is the Gallium Bar, based on a Spanish Armada ship, and a very fine ship it is too. And this is just about finished with a full refit, and they've opened the kitchen for me, the bar area, because this is where all the magic happens. So it costs money, and as a customer you won't see probably any difference at all, but you should see a difference to the quality of your customer experience when you come in as a punter. So there's all new fridges, all new units, everything's all, in fact it's so new it's still got that plastic stuff on that they put on when this plastic film that they put on when it's all brand new that you take off. So it's all sparkling, clean and tidy. In fact, it still smells like a building yard. I can still smell the wood, and that's obviously some kind of store. That must be where they keep all the goods. It's very posh. And this, the Gallium Bar, opened in May 1931. Apparently quite a lot of these kitchen units that have all been refitted and replaced date back to the 1980s, so it was obviously ready. It was obviously ready for a bit of a fettle. And a mighty fine job they've made of it too. It's very posh. Very posh indeed. So this is a little bit of a before and after. And you've probably been in here listening to Pineapple Jack and the other entertainers that are on in the Victoria Bar. It's a very fine bar indeed. Look at that lovely woodwork and all this original plasterwork on the ceiling. It's lovely. Such a beautiful building. Such a beautiful building. So this is a bit of a before and after, because the Victoria Bar is going to be done like the Gallium Bar, but it's not being done yet. Now I'm no catering kitchen expert. We need to duck underneath for this one, find out how good my back is. So this is still to be done. So you can actually see the difference between this one and the other one. And this is going to be like the Gallium Bar, so it's going to have all new counters, new fridges, new surfaces, etc. Anyone for a crafty spiced pear gin from Ghost Or maybe a little bit of Gordon's dry gin. There you go, the old Victoria traditional British bar. So that's all going to be redone, and it's going to be done in the next not very longness. Very soon, ready for the new season of work, because this makes it easier for the bartenders to serve customers, which makes your experience as a customer better because you get served quicker and all the rest of it, and they're not falling over themselves trying to do everything all at once. I'll pick on seat number 48 for this, because another important thing that's been done out to the Restoration Levy is all of these seats, and there's a lot of them. All of these seats have all been refurbished and recovered out of the money, and they don't stop there, because they're all the way up there as well. So these were done in 2022. 654 balcony chairs were restored at a cost of 45 grand. And these, I think the stalls were done the year before, if I remember rightly. But, well, yeah, I mean, you see, you don't see all these things, do you? And the next project, this panelling over here has been replaced, but this panelling is yet to be done, and you can see there's bits sort of coming off and buckling and moving, so that's been done as well out of the levy. So the levy's paying for quite a lot of the invisible things that you would not see. Just imagine how much you pay to maintain your own little house, and then think about how much it must cost to run this place. Well, this is another little treasure trove. This is going to be the VIP lounge. In fact, it's been the VIP lounge before, and this is where the Queen and Prince Philip, look at these for art decor. This is where the Queen and Prince Philip came when they came to the Royal Variety performance, and it's the room that Anton Deck used as well for Britain's Got Talent. And these bottles that I started this little clip on, they were all underneath the benches, pulled out from underneath the benches that were against this wall here. So which one do you think the Queen had been drinking? Do you think she was the Montemediano or the strawberry lime? Yeah, so there were benches all along here against these old original cast iron radiators. This is one of the benches, and these are all being reupholstered and refitted. These are all original 1930s. Wowzer, that'll be fabulous when it's finished. I shall keep you posted. It's going to be a 1930s room. So this is a little bit different. This is a Blackpool Council Heritage Department piece of restoration work, and this is the work to the faience at the back of this banner and this cladding, which you can't actually see properly. This cream stone is a tile. It's a glazed terracotta tile, which is rather fetching, and I'm not tall enough to be able to see underneath there, which is a shame. Oh, you can just see through that crack. Let's see if we can get a zoom in and show you behind there. I don't think you can see very much, but nonetheless. So this is all being repaired and restored, which is going to make that front bit look a whole load better. And there you go. And it's all open for business as usual while restoration work takes place. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look behind the scenes at some of the things that are happening in this beautiful Blackpool building on a gorgeous February day. We're going to go and carry on now and do all our other walkabout jobs. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications and do all that kind of stuff, and share it with your friends if you've enjoyed it and help this channel to grow. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye for now.